In a rabbet joint, a rectangular recess is cut along the edge of a workpiece. The edge of another wooden piece is then set in a rabbet cut. Let's look at the procedure to make a rabbet joint. Step 1. Measure and mark the width and depth for the rabbet. Take two wooden pieces, cut and trim them to the requisite size. Measure the width of the edge of one member and mark it on the other member as the depth for the rabbet cut. Step 2. Set the marking gauge and scribe guidelines for the cut. Set the marking gauge to the marked thickness on the member and scribe a line on the bottom edges and its sides. Reset the marking gauge to the thickness of the butting member. Run the marking gauge against the end of the rabbet member to scribe a shoulder line on the back face and the edges. Step 3. Secure the wooden piece firmly to the bench top and cut. Support the wooden piece firmly to the bench top for support. With a portable circular saw, cut along the marked line to the depth of the gauged line. Swap and reset the member to the face side and cut along the bottom edge. Now, with a handsaw, cut the remaining part to make the rabbet cut. Step 4. Smoothen the rabbet with a smoothing plane. Trim and smoothen the rabbet with a smoothing plane. Dry fit and check the alignment before you apply glue. Step 5. Apply glue. With a brush, apply some glue to the joining part of the clean member. Step 6. Assemble the rabbet joint. Place it on the rabbeted cut and join the pieces together. Hammer in some nails on the edges to give strength to the joint. Wipe off any excess glue with a damp cloth. Leave the glue to dry. This completes the rabbet joint. Let's quickly look at the procedure once again. Step 1. Measure and mark the width and depth for the rabbet. Step 2. Set the marking gauge and scribe guidelines for the cut. Step 3. Secure the wooden piece firmly to the bench top and cut. Step 4. Smoothen the rabbet with a smoothing plane. Step 5. Apply glue. Step 6. Assemble the rabbet joint.